Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of the Canning Nana. Today I'm showing you the easiest chicken broccoli casserole ever to be put together. Just going to be kind of a really quick video because I've done this before. It's one of our favorites. So come along and join us. Really simple. We have some cheese. This is not the cheese I normally use. I usually use fresh grated cheese that I grate myself with the brick. This has cornstarch or potato starch powder in there, and I really don't like that. But it's all I have, so we're using that tonight. We've got 2 big chicken breasts, some fresh broccoli, some mayonnaise, a can of cream of chicken soup, a onion, and we're going to put a pepper, and you can also put some walnuts or almonds. I have almonds. I'm not going to put these in there tonight, but usually I put almonds in there, or walnuts. And then we make rice or noodles to go underneath this to serve with it. So come along with us and I will show you how I do this. Okay, here is our cut up chicken. I'm going to put this in a pan and cook it up. Okay, chicken with a little bit of seasoning salt and seasoning pepper. Just brown. Just until browned. You don't want to overcook this because you're going to be cooking it in the oven. It's going to cook with all of the vegetables that you're putting in if you choose to. Broccoli is number 1 in this dish. You do want to put broccoli in this. All you want to do is brown the chicken so that it's nice and tender when you take it out of the oven. Meanwhile, we have the vegetables cut over here with broccoli, the onions, and the red pepper. You can also add some mushrooms to this if you have them. I have some canned mushrooms, but my husband doesn't like them, so I'm not going to add them tonight. I usually do, though. Mushrooms with this is really good. And as a substitute, instead of the cream of chicken, you can add cream of broccoli, cream of asparagus, cream of mushroom, or cream of chicken and cheese, if you can find that. All really, really good. We are also going to add 1 cup of mayonnaise. You can add low-fat mayonnaise, it doesn't matter. You can substitute for sour cream with this if you'd like. Really, really good dinner and super, super easy. Okay, so we have our cooked chicken right here. We are ready to put our vegetables into the same pan that we did our chicken. Okay, I am not cleaning this out. It's sizzling. We're going to put the vegetables right in here. Okay, so here we go. Here are the vegetables all sauteing. They're sauteing in the chicken's juice so they get that flavor in there. Look at how beautiful that looks. This is so easy, you guys. And this dish freezes so well. I know I've posted this over the last 6 years so many times. Different versions every time, but this is so good. It's worth posting that many times. So if you have not tried this, we call it chicken Divan. But it's always a different version. So I always add different vegetables, like the peppers, the red peppers. You can, if you have freeze-dried food, so you can make this entirely from freeze-dried food. It is incredible. You can do the chicken, the peppers, the broccoli, the onions, and just do mayonnaise. You can make your own mayonnaise and a little bit of cream of chicken soup, which you can also do by yourself, or you can add some chicken broth, and that will be absolutely perfect with some sour cream. It would be exactly the same and come out amazing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make some jasmine rice in just a couple minutes. We are going to serve this over jasmine rice, and it's going to be incredible. So after we put all of the ingredients together, the chicken's already cooked, the vegetables are being cooked, we're going to mix it all in the bowl, and I'll show you guys that in just a second. And then put it in a casserole dish and put it in the oven just until it's heated through, because everything is cooked, you guys. So everything is pre-cooked. So if you do this in the morning, you can make the casserole, put it all in the casserole dish, and in the evening when you get home from work, voila, all you have to do is pop it in the oven, 350 degrees, And there you have it. About 15 minutes to heat through, 20 minutes to heat through at the most, and you have an amazing dinner. So I'm going to be adding cheese to this too, so stay tuned. You don't want to miss how this is the most creamiest, cheesiest dish for dinner, and it's so easy. Just want to show you guys that I did add a little bit of regular pepper and a little bit of seasoned pepper. And the seasoned pepper that I use, you guys know if you've watched me for any amount of time, Lawry's seasoned pepper, right there. I am not sponsored by Lawry's. This is just my favorite. It's been my favorite since growing up, you guys. I have grown up with seasoned pepper and seasoned salt by Lawry's. I just think it's the best. So if you don't have it, of course you can make your own blend, but for me, this is amazing. So how about in this video, we give away one of these. And this is not cheap, you guys. Trust me. I have a whole case of these things. How about the word of the day is chicken Divan? And comment that in the comment section, and we're going to give away one of these amazing Lawry's seasoned peppers, which is worth about $8. Kind of expensive, I know, but they truly, truly are worth it. Trust me. Okay, let me get back to this and then add this to the chicken, and I'll take you guys along. Okay, here are the vegetables. I've turned it off, so we are going to be spooning this into our chicken mixture, just like this. This looks so good, you guys. So good. This is one of my husband's favorite dishes, and yesterday was our anniversary, and we weren't home. We went to Disneyland. You guys can watch some of those other videos from Disneyland on our new channel, our travel channel, More Fun Than Sitting at Home, and the link is in the description box below. We had an amazing steak dinner last night. We had an amazing day. You could see all of our adventures that we had yesterday, which was absolutely incredible. You can see those on the other channel. But tonight I just wanted to make something that was his favorite for him and that he's been asking me for a while. So, and I really haven't had a chance to do or been up to doing. So tonight I figured, yep, today is the day. So we are doing this. So we are going to take this over here where we are going to add our mayonnaise. I probably can't do this one-handed. We're going to mix that all in, and then we are going to do our cream of chicken. So let me add those and I'll be right back. Okay, so I've added the mayonnaise and I have added the cream of chicken soup, and I went ahead and I added some Best Foods mayonnaise that I have, which is Hellman's if you guys are west of the Rockies. Same thing. And we are going to add some cheese to this mixture as soon as I mix this up. Noah's hungry, you guys. Okay, so we have all of this all mixed up together. So we're going to add about a cup of cheese, grated cheese. Sharp cheddar is my favorite. And you want to save some. You want to put at least a cup of cheese in this, depending on how much you're making. I'm only making enough for 2 people. So you want to save enough of cheese to put on the top of this as well. So we're going to mix this in, and then I'll put it in the casserole, and I'll show you what we do. Okay, here is our mixture, and here is our casserole pan. It's a 13 by 9 pan, so we are going to start to put the mixture into the pan. Our oven is already on at 350 degrees. So we are going to put it in there. Okay, I'm going to put this all in the casserole pan and put some cheese on it, and I'll show you how we do that. Okay, so there is our casserole. Everything's in the casserole. We're going to put that in a 350 degree oven for about 15 minutes. Everything is cooked in here. You're just heating it through. So until this starts to bubble on the bottom, it'll bubble right here, and then it's done. And you can take it out and put some cheese on it right on the top. Put it back in the oven until the cheese is melted, and you have dinner. We'll show you how I serve this, and enjoy, guys. And just want to show you guys, we have rice cooking, jasmine rice. Okay, you guys, I have just taken this out of the oven. Look how amazing this looks. This is so good. And we are so hungry. It's almost 7 o'clock at night. Just want to show you how amazing this looks. See what I say about bubbling? So you want to wait until it's bubbling on the side like this. And if you use really good ingredients, you're not going to get any oil. There's barely any oil in here. If you use cheap ingredients, you're going to get a lot of oil in there. So don't use cheap ingredients. Don't cheap out on this dish. This is really good. And it freezes really well. So anything that you guys don't eat, this is a small casserole pan, you guys, 13 by 9. This is a tiny one. So we're going to have enough for dinner and then lunch tomorrow probably, maybe dinner again tomorrow night. Anything that we don't have, I usually freeze, and it freezes really, really well. Put it in the microwave, put it in your air fryer, and it heats up very, very well. So I'm going to add some cheese to this and put it back in the oven for just a couple minutes, probably about 3 to 5 minutes, and then take it out and serve it. Okay, there it is with the cheese on it. Let's put it back in the oven, and then I'll show you how I serve it. Okay, after everything, this is completely done. Cheese on the top. This is what it should look like when you are done. And then serve over rice or some wide egg noodles and enjoy. Don't forget to comment the word of the day. Please subscribe if you're not already subscribed. It really helps my channel. And please just hit that thumbs up button. It really does a lot for my channel. It doesn't cost you anything at all. So let's see how I serve this. Okay, and here we have it. This is how I serve it. Just this over our jasmine rice with a little side salad right there with your choice of dressing. Thanks for watching, you guys, and don't forget to comment. I will see you soon. Have a great day.